Remember, you used to help me, now I could help you.
Right.
So that means if you misbehave, I get to beat you.
Are you going back to those days?
You ain't forget yet?
You want more, man?
No, I don't want no more. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog from the great rainy state of Florida today. And today I'm about to head down south. As you can see, I'm at my Step 1 local dealer with the Ram and got something for my dad. He liked the Jeep we had, so got him a 4xe. So I'm about to take it and tow it down there. We're gonna be like a 9-hour drive. But of course, I couldn't have done the deal without my boy, Malachi.
Yes, sir.
Where they can hit you up at?
You can see me at Step 1 Automotive right here in Fort Walton Beach. Just ask for Malachi or the Performance Car Guy, either or.
All they do is sell Hellcats and T-Rexes. So if you want one of them new ones, can you get one of them swingers?
I don't know if we're gonna get allocated yet, but just stay tuned.
All right.
I can drop my info down. And,
Yeah, you drop the info down. His info will be down in the description below. So I'm about to hit the road. 9 hours, probably more because of towing. And this sucker's like 6,000 pounds already. But yeah, I'll hit you guys back. I'll let you guys know how it's going. All right, guys, there go my dad. He's very excited. We're gonna take this back.
You want to make sure I take a last drive after from yesterday. You say you want to drive it to the last?
Go ahead, take it for a spin around the block. That's the FJ you're getting rid of 4xe. Cousin L. What up, what up?
Yo.
So Dad, what you think about the new Jeep?
It's pretty good.
Yeah.
It's good.
It's 4xe.
Yeah, looking good.
Good thing I got it for you, right?
Yes. you're a good son, man. What would I do without you?
You love
Thank
it.
you for the
Welcome
present.
to the Jeep family.
Yes.
That part of the product, you gotta peel the stickers off. You gotta pull on the other side in the door. Let me show you. So you always gotta peel. There's the green one.
It's a green one.
Yeah, just peel that one off. Need some help?
Yeah. Hold on.
Remember, you used to help me, now I could help you.
Right.
So that means if you misbehave, I get to beat you.
Are you going back to those days?
You ain't forget yet?
You want more, man?
No, I don't want no more. Yeah, just peel it off. Oops. There it is. Oh, it broke. There you go. So next I gotta show you how to charge it.
Car's on.
The car's on.
Don't start. Should I don't hear it? You start?
Yeah, it's on.
Really?
It's a hybrid. It's on.
You don't hear no sound?
No.
No, it's quiet. You're not gonna hear any noise.
Wow.
You're gonna have to get used to that.
Yeah. Yeah, that's it. It doesn't make any sound. So now to open the one touch, you hit that one time and just push it and let it go.
Oh, George, this shit ain't gonna beat you this now. Be a problem. Look at the roof.
Wow.
Can you adopt me, sir?
You see?
You see, because it's on, you see the AC is on.
AC's on. Right?
Yep.
So automatic. Once you turn it on, the AC just come on.
If it's already set.
You already said it, yeah.
Okay.
So I'm gonna go over a bunch of the buttons with you real quick.
Yep.
So here it is, Sunday. I'm back. I'm at my local dealership, and I brought back my dad old FJ Cruiser. So I traded in on the Wrangler. It's a 07. He bought it brand new. He's had it all this time. So he retired down in Florida now, so he needs a Florida Jeep, you know, a Florida vehicle where the top come down. So I'm here out in the rain about to unload it. All right, thank you guys for watching the video. Again, guys, as usual, like, share, and definitely tap that subscribe button down below. Hit the bell icon, ding, for future upload. Like, share, and subscribe again if you just forgot. So here it is. Good times in the FJ. We drove that to Canada and back. So great times. All good things come to an end, and he has a great new beginning with his new Jeep Wrangler 4xe. Peace.